Meaning of defectively.
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 Defectively. The term defectively means that something is flawed or deficient in some way. If a product is manufactured defectively, it means that it has an imperfection or malfunction that makes it unable to function properly as intended. This can result in various outcomes such as the product breaking down prematurely, posing a safety risk to the user, or not functioning at all. Defective products can be harmful and can cause serious injuries or damage. It is crucial to address any defects in products through proper quality control measures to ensure consumer safety.